Hey guys, this is Coach Culinary, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a chicken fajita wrap. Alright, my skillet is on high heat and it's already preheated. I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil in there. Alright, we have a half a cup of julienne onions. We have half a cup of they're just sliced down red peppers. Alright, now you're going to want to saute these on a high heat and caramelize them up. Okay. Alright, you want to season them with just a little bit of cumin. The cumin is to taste, and it gives it a real nice, real good flavor. But it's just to taste. If you want more, you can put more in there. Excuse me. Okay, these are pretty quick and simple. They're absolutely delicious, and fajita wraps are really good. Chicken fajita, steak fajitas, they're just, as long as you have the right ingredients and they're done right, it's a delicious dish. So our onions and peppers are caramelizing now. You do need olive oil, just a little bit. Coat the pan just to cook these down. Get them nice and caramelized. You don't want to put the chicken in yet. The chicken, it's one chicken breast, and the chicken breast is sliced down. And since it's already cooked, you want to wait till these are pretty close to being done and nice and cooked and caramelized until you put the chicken in, and so that the consistency of your everything can be cooked at the right time. You don't want to put the chicken in now. If you were to put the chicken in now, it would be, it would be burnt and dry. And so you want to give some caramelization to these onions and peppers before you go putting any of that in there. Oh, it smells great. Okay. All right, and it's pretty simple. You need a flour tortilla, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, some fresh salsa or pico de gallo, and some chicken, onions, and peppers. Very basic, very simple. Nice little lunchtime snack, or to eat dinner, if you want. All right, so our onions and peppers are good to go. We're going to take the chicken. We're going to add that into there. Okay, chicken's already sliced, and that was 1 cup of chicken. We're going to toss that around a little bit more, and we are going to add just a little bit more of cumin. All right. And we don't want the chicken to dry out, so we are going to add just a little drizzle more of olive oil. All right. And you don't really need to cook the chicken very long. It's already cooked, so having it in your pan, and being sliced down, it will heat up very quick. You want to go ahead and take your tortilla wrap, and we're going to put that in the microwave for just like 10 seconds, just to get it real nice and pliable. That's about all, so it's real nice and workable. Okay. All right, flour tortilla is done. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of cheese down, just some. The cheese is kind of to taste for everybody. If you like a lot of cheese, feel free to put more in. If you don't, then use less. But we're going to put a little bit of cheese down on the bottom of that. All right, we're going to transfer these vegetables and chicken. These are done, so we're going to turn that off. Now we're going to take this, we're going to put it inside here. Oh yeah. All right. And set that off to the side. All right, now we're going to take a little bit more cheese. Sprinkle this over the top. And we're going to wrap it up, guys. So you're going to tuck it in, fold the bottom, and wrap away. Okay, so now that is nice and wrapped up. The heat that is in there will help the cheese melt. So for presentation, you want to take your fajita wrap. You want to cut it on the bias, sharp knife. Then you're going to set it on your plate. And we have, you can use salsa if you would like, but this is absolutely best with fresh pico. This is fresh salsa or pico de gallo. And you are going to take some of this and you are going to drizzle it onto the top. Put some of it around the plate just to make it look nice. And as you're eating this, you can always mix it around. This is 1 cup of pico. So that's about it. That's all there is to it. Very quick, very easy wrap. So this is Kurt's Culinary. This is a chicken fajita wrap. And for a reference, I have written down a recipe. You will need a flour tortilla, 1 chicken breast sliced, half a cup of julienne onion, half a cup of red peppers, mozzarella cheese to taste, cumin to taste, 1 cup of salsa or pico de gallo if you have it, salsa if you do not have pico, and just a little bit of olive oil. So this is Kurt's Culinary. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.